Well, hi guys. Today I'm going to talk to you about my wigs. And you would never know it, but I'm actually wearing a wig right now. Okay, that's a joke because obviously I am wearing a wig because it looks so wiggy, and that's because it has so much hair. And usually when I wear this one, I'd always be trying to flatten it. And I think, well, it would look so much better if it was flat, or else I'd wear a toque or a hat, but a toque made it look like I had a really big head. I came across a video that talked about thinning the hair on your wig and how all wigs basically need to be thinned. If you're not afraid of ruining your wig, which, I mean, I don't want to obviously ruin the wig, but guys, look at this. Okay, he's been wanting an in and out, in and out. You'll need one of these. They're called razor edge barber hair scissors. And here's what it looks like. Now this will be my very first time ever trying this. Got my little scissors, got my clips. I'm gonna start by, just as they suggest, to make sure that you don't touch the hair that's right on top, and you just start going underneath. Anyway, guys, I'm off to do this now. I'm going to do it in the bathroom with all my different mirrors. So I actually thought I would be able to finish all the wigs in one day. I'm going to thin all the wigs. I'll show you a before and after on each one as I do it. But as it turns out, it took a lot longer than I took because I was very careful. I was really trying not to ruin the wig. And this is how much hair I got out of it. It was a human hair wig. And this is a lot. So it will be very interesting to see the difference in all of these wigs once I get them all done. So if you want to see how they turned out, come back in about a week, turn on your notifications and subscribe, and then you won't miss the big day. I'll probably try to have another video in on something else before that. So it pays to subscribe and click on the little notification bell. Anyway, guys, thanks a lot for watching. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye. There are all my ladies in waiting to have their hair done.